Alright guys, so welcome on board to my YouTube channel. My name is John Anna Violores. I'm so happy to actually have you on my channel today. So today I want to share with you guys a new stuff that just launched recently, and I want you to pick it up. I want to recommend it to you so you can pick it up, because actually it's what I was doing, and then I found out that wow, this guy is actually teaching I was doing that was actually getting me results. So I'm going to review that right now shortly, how that works. So let me just get into it straight away. So you see, if you are into email marketing, if you do email marketing, you have an email list, you build email lists. You have you have a list of subscribers you always reach out to. You reach out to them to sell stuff or to recommend products to them. What you need to do is, there are kind of lists you build. The mistake a lot of marketers do is they just go ahead and start getting freebie seekers into their email list, and that's very, very wrong. It's very wrong. You don't just get freebie seekers into your list. What they want is, they will always want to get free stuff from you over and over again. They will always be expecting the next free stuff you'll be giving to them. In fact, they want to get high value courses for free from you. So you need to avoid those kind of subscribers. Those kind of subscribers can never make you money. They're going to put you bankrupt. In fact, they're going to put you in a whole lot of debts. So what you need to do is, you need to start building a buyers list. Yes, if you have been struggling to make money with affiliate marketing, you're not getting results with affiliate marketing, you write top-notch copies, high quality mail messages, and then it doesn't convert, it's not converting for you. What you need to do is, you need to start building a buyers list. That's the best thing. That's just what you need to do. Okay, let me show you something from one of a top marketer, what they actually said. I actually picked it up somewhere, and I actually saved it. It's been, I think, for years I've had this thing in my drive, always using it as a guideline. You can see this is Jeremy Kennedy. It says the parts I recommend for starting an affiliate business is to create your own products and add your customers to your email list. It's as simple as that. This just this paragraph is worth $997. Yes, trust me, is worth $997. A lot of people don't know this. They don't know that if you want to become a pro affiliate marketer, you want to get results as an affiliate marketer, you need to start with your own product. You sell your own product. It is when you sell your products that you begin to get results with affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you the proof. Let me show you the proof. Let's stop on this, then let me show you the proof. When I launched a product recently, I launched a PLR massive income, PLR massive bundle. So you can see, so I got a lot of sales, and these people are actually buyers. And I'm going to show you my email list very soon. I have a very tiny list of subscribers, so it is from these people, this same set of buyers who purchased my products. They were the one who picked up the next product I promoted, which was Jigsaw Empire from Alexandro Zamboni. So you can see I generated a lot of sales, about I think over about $130, from just promoting within how many days? Just within, let's see, which is not bad. It is not bad at all, generating over $130. So it's very, very highly profitable. So the reason I was able to get this result was because I just had a new set of buyers in my list, and these people they're always ready to buy. So what I need to do was just look for a very good product, and then I give it to them, I share with them, I let them know that wow, there's something new, something special you need to check out. It's going to help you in this way or in that way. And then they went on, and then they pick it up, and when they picked it up, they love it. So that's it. You don't just buy, get people who want free book, free stuff into your email list. Let me show you my email list so you actually see it. You can see this is my email list. Get Response. I use Get Response. Get Response is a platform where you can actually manage your subscribers. Yes, so you can always reach out to them, you engage with them, you relate with them, you share stuff with them, and then you help them with tools and resources that can help them grow in their business. So this is my own section of my email list. You can see I have just 462 contacts in my email list. It's very, very tiny, but the thing is, the one thing I need to let you know is this: I have just 3 active segments in my 3 list sections in my email marketing in my get response account. Now you can see the last product I purchased. Actually, I had about 67 new buyers in this list, but you can see since since the last time I promoted a product to them, I've got about 10 people who had, okay, about, let's say, 7, let me see, yes, about 7 people have unsubscribed from my list, which is very, very good. Yes, which is very good. Not everyone wants to be bombarded with messages or stuff like that, so they have to leave. So all I need to do is to start building new sets of buyers into my list. That's just the logic. As some people are going out, you refill their spots, and then you begin to build up to their list. That's just what you need to do. And then now this is the last product I launched on World Plus, and these have been my past customers on World Plus. I have 254. They've always been about 300 and I think 309 subscribers, so it has dropped to 254. So it's always dropping, and then I add more. I go out there and then add more to my list. So this is for my local audience, this is for my local subscribers. So you can see I have a tiny list, and with this tiny list I was able to generate over $100 in just 4 days promoting a product. So I always promote just one product every single week here to my subscribers, so I don't bombard them with junk and stuff. So I don't do that. So this is exactly what you need to do if you want to get commissions like this. You just have to start building a buyers list, and the only way you can start building a buyer list is you need to start selling your own products. That's just it. You need to start selling your own product. I've showed you exactly what a top marketer says here. Jeremy Kennedy says the part I recommend for starting an affiliate business is to create your own product and add your customers to your email list. It's as simple as that. Then you begin to send those subscribers affiliate offers via your email. That is the most successful affiliate model. Yes, that is just, and I can actually attest to that. Yes, that is true. That is the most, the blueprints, the perfect, strategy to get success with affiliate marketing. So when you see, actually went for that, when you see guys bringing tons of sales as an affiliate on a launch, that's 99% of the time how they are doing it. So that's just exactly what you need to, if you want to start getting results like this, getting affiliate commission, you need to start building your own buyer list. But there is a problem. What if you cannot create products? You don't have the time to create products, you don't have the experience, you don't have the skill. Then you actually need to take advantage of a done for you stuff, and that's why I'm actually doing this video, to recommend this stuff. It's Buyers List Bonanza. Buyers List Bonanza. They are doing a bonanza for you. All the work has been done for you. They are going to help you generate the buyers list. So your own is just plug in, you begin to start mailing these buyers, and you begin to get earn commission right away. So this offer is actually this offer buyer list bonanza is coming from my friend John Newman and Cynthia Benitez. Yes, so I'm actually recommending their product, their offer. I don't recommend a lot of products. I don't hunt for money here and there. No, I'm after quality products and products that will actually add value to my subscribers. So they have done solid training. I've gone through it, and it's exactly what I have been doing in my business as well. So they've gone through, there are a lot step-by-step training inside this module too. It's about I think about 9 steps that action plans that you can start doing right away. And then they included it in module 3 with a case study, so you can actually watch them step by step and see exactly how they do it in their business, so you can just replicate it and do it. So I want to go ahead and click on the link under this video so you can get access to the members area. I'm not done with the content here because I'm still applying. I'm still trying to learn and then apply my business to. I'm still learning my business so I can even earn more and more affiliate commissions and then perfect this affiliate marketing business. So go ahead, there's a link under this video. Check the description, see a link to buyers list bonanza. Go ahead and click on it, and then it's going to bring you to their sales page right here. They are currently selling access to their members area for a very low price, very low price. Actually, it's very cheap compared to what you'll be getting. So you'll be getting a simple copy and paste method for you to start earning passive income. So actually, it's the best way, the most profitable way for you to build a buyer list. That's going to pay you over and over and over again. So you can just go ahead and then read this, go through the sales page, you can see this is the same thing he's doing in his business. The results is getting, you can see, so it's getting at, even if you're making let's say $10 per day, and in 30 days you'd have done $300, but you actually can see it's making more of this. So making $2,000 in 30 days, 2,000 another 30 days, you can see. So this is someone you can follow, you can actually learn from. You're going to learn you're going to learn a lot from him. So go ahead, there's a link under this video. Click on the link and then it's going to bring you to this page right here for you to pick up a buyers list bonanza. You see, it's actually a shortcut for you. They will help you to build your buyers list. You don't need to start running traffic to sell products, or you don't need to start spending days, weeks. You spend a lot of weeks to set up your own to set up your own products and launch, and then before you begin to get new buyers. No, they've done all the work for you. Your own is just get access to their own buyer list, bonanza member area, and then you'll be able to take advantage of their strategy, how you can now begin to get buyer list even while you are being paid. Yes, while you are being paid. I want to try and see where they actually give out their bonuses. Let me see. They packed up a lot of wonderful stuffs right on their offer. So let me see. I don't know where I found it the other time. Let me see. I think it's somewhere. Okay, yes. So you can see. So when you pick up buyers list bonanza, they're going to give you a case study how you can get paid to build a buyer list. Yes, how you can get paid to build a buyer list. That's what you will get inside as a bonus inside this buyer list bonanza. Also, you also get how to unlock free money online. John Newman himself made over $195 and added 148 new subscribers. You see, it's not even actually making the money that matters. It is you getting subscribers to your list, getting buyers, buyer lists, subscribers who are potential buyers who are ready to buy stuff. Those are the kind of people you need to get into your email list. So go ahead, there's a link under this video. Click on the link, it's going to bring you right here. I want you to pick up buyer list bonanza. It will help you if you are into email marketing and you are not getting conversion, you're not getting results with your email marketing. You don't get sales, you don't earn commissions. You take advantage of this offer right now. You can see that, you see, I don't know if you saw that notification. That was a sale made on one of my local products, and it's because I have a buyer list. I just sent out few emails to some of my subscribers ago selling a local product, and then I got a notification just now. So everything I'm teaching is just what's work. You can see I'm actually making a review right now, and someone made a sale on one of my local products for $2,999. So go ahead, pick this. You need a buyer list if you want to start crushing affiliate marketing. Yes, if you want to start getting any affiliate commissions like this. Look at it. This just, I only sent out emails, and then everything begins to flow in like this. So, and that can only happen when you have buyer lists, but it's hard to start launching products, sell products, and then you get buyers. But these guys, John Newman and Cynthia Benitez, you can see. So the person who made payment now is getting access to my members area. So it's not something that is this. So actually, so now what you need to do now, just go ahead and click on the link, pick up buyer list bonanza, and when you pick it up, just reach out to me that you picked it up. You can reach out to me on Facebook or anywhere. Contact me on Facebook or leave a message, leave a comment right here, or just get in touch with me somewhere, and then I'm going to include a bonus in your delivery. Sorry, so you're going to see a bonus. I'm going to leave a special bonus for you inside your delivery. So go ahead and pick up buyer list bonanza, and then you can start using this system to have your own buyer list, and then you can begin to promote stuff, quality stuff. And please, when you have your buyer list, don't just begin to promote products, any kind of products to your list. No, make sure you are promoting products that really adds value to your subscribers, so you don't lose their confidence on you. And again, I'm going to make a special video later on how how you can find good products, hot products, profitable products that you can share with your list. So go ahead and pick up buyer list bonanza via my link under the link below, under this video below. You see you get 30 days money back and guarantee, just in case if you don't like it. So go ahead, it's it's very cheap, very cheap. So go ahead, you can see just less than 13 bucks, 12.95. so go ahead, pick it up, and then you will definitely get results with this buyer list bonanza offer. So thank you for watching this video. My name is John Anaviolore. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and then don't forget, go ahead and click on the link and pick up buyer list bonanza.